Welcome to part 2 of the introductory video for Accounting 325. In this video, we're going to discuss the teaching materials for the course and the processes necessary as a student to survive. Let's start with the obvious. Since this is a distance learning course, you're going to need to have a safe, secure, stable, and reasonably fast access to the internet. Since all of the homework, quizzes, assignments, and exams you prepare will be submitted through the internet, this pipeline is critical to your success. Having the opportunity to work on your assignments at your convenience is a double-edged sword. It offers flexibility to work within certain parameters when it's convenient for you. On the other side, it happens from time to time that a student might wait until the last minute to prepare and submit an assignment. When that happens, you do not want to find many things more frustrating than having your internet go down. Because you are receiving adequate warning now and will always have adequate time to prepare, do not expect a sympathetic ear if you find yourself at the last minute with no internet. In addition, I prepared an extensive library of video lectures to explain and expand the information in your textbook and other readings. Watching the videos is mandatory. The primary source for the course information is, of course, the Blackboard site. This has all the information you need, and it makes sense to check the site frequently. Each of the 8 modules has a link, and modules contain all the instruction and information you need to ensure you are accomplishing all the course's required tasks. You should also check your email from time to time, as when information has been updated, Blackboard can push out a notification to you, and your instructor may contact you with changes as well. The Managerial Accounting module uses a McGraw-Hill published textbook titled Cost Management, A Strategic Emphasis. The main author is Blocker. The tax textbook is also published by McGraw-Hill and is titled Principles of Business Taxation for Business and Investment Planning. The main author is Jones. The tax textbook is updated each year, so it is critical that you ensure you purchase the correct year's copy. Please check and then double-check the syllabus before purchasing this text to ensure you have purchased the most recent edition. I'm comfortable with any type of textbook. For example, traditional hardback, softback, loose leaf, or ebook. Pick the version that's best for you. Before you decide, make sure you go through the Connect Learning Management System in this video and in the syllabus. Connect is an online homework manager that is supported by McGraw-Hill, the textbook publisher. We will use this system exclusively for the preparation and submission of homework assignments. We may also use Connect for quizzes at times, so you will need to purchase the access codes for both textbooks. When you purchase your textbook, you may want to consider buying the access code at the same time. Most of the time, buying the two as a package is cheaper. Your instructor is not able to manage your Connect account, and so access code and technical issues must be directed to Connect support. Like most cloud-based systems, Connect goes down from time to time for maintenance. The maintenance windows are always announced ahead of time, so be sure and pay attention. We might also post various documents, such as a magazine article that might be required reading or might be optional reading. The terms will be spelled out in Blackboard so that you'll know the difference. Many of your written assignments, including exams, will be submitted using an online system called Turnitin. Be sure and examine the Turnitin system when you get a chance. You should find it very easy to submit documents using Turnitin, but there are a couple of important items of caution with Turnitin. Number 1, once you have submitted your document using Turnitin, it cannot be replaced. As a result, be sure and wait until you are finished with the assignment before submitting. Number 2, on many assignments, your preview will not be a complete version. After you submit a document, Turnitin provides a preview of your document to review. In some instances, the preview document will be missing certain items, for example, any photos you embedded. Often, the larger the file, the worse the preview. However, the entire document does come through, and your instructor will be able to see everything. Number 3, Turnitin only accepts certain file types, the main two being Microsoft Word and Adobe PDF. You may want to ensure that you have the software necessary to submit files using one of those two formats. And lastly, you can check subjective grading in Turnitin. Your instructor can use a rubric within Turnitin to grade your work. In addition, any comments or notations can be made directly onto the submitted work, so you can see where you need to improve. Great, that is a summary of our learning materials. Thanks for watching.